The Jupiter airdrop checker is finally here. So you can finally check for all your Solana airdrops under one interface. Jupiter has made it super simple for you to check for any upcoming airdrops with this new free tool. Let's take a look. So here's the official announcement from the Jupiter exchange. You would navigate over to the Jupiter DEX website and either go to the portfolio section or go under more and airdrop checker. Here you would paste your specific Solana wallet address and see if you have any upcoming airdrops under that wallet. So I use different wallets for different reasons. So let's go to this Phantom wallet here and copy our Solana address here, and we'll go ahead, click here and paste it here and select external wallet. Cool, and search scan my wallets. And for the specific wallet, I do have a tiny upcoming airdrop, and that's a Jupe airdrop. The cool thing is you can claim it directly from this interface. And if you had any more eligible airdrops, they would all be listed here. So let's go ahead and click claim, and I can claim it directly from here. Cool, that was successful. So now if you have any other airdrops you want to check for, just go ahead and hit back, X this out, and then go ahead and paste a new Solana wallet address here. So this Jupiter airdrop checker does allow for one free wallet to check for, and if you wanted to unlock more, you would have to stake some JUP token to allow it to check for more wallets. And here's a slider showing how many JUP you have to stake in order to check for different wallets. So if you wanted to check for 10 wallets, that would be 100 JUP needed staked, or even 20 wallets, that would be 200 JUP staked. You get the idea. So there you have it, a quick way to check for any eligible airdrops you may have missed using the Jupiter portfolio section. I love all the new features Jupiter is adding, and they're making it a super robust ecosystem for all Solana users. Alongside their perp section and even their new lending section, Jupiter has made itself the best platform for swapping, lending, and using perps on Solana, period. I'm super bullish. So let me know what airdrops you may have missed using this new airdrop checker. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where I have tons of other crypto tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.